Hey guys, this is going to be a review of the Deva Deep Sea Repair Mask. So I'm going to just show you how it applies and all that stuff. So let's get into the first impressions. Okay, it says after washing your hair thoroughly, saturate the hair and let it set for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. So I already washed my hair. Now all I gotta do is put this in here. Okay, I think I saturated my hair in the product pretty good. So now I have to wait 15 to 20 minutes. And my first impression of this is it's really thick, which is a good sign because normally thick masks for my hair work better. It's not super thick, but it's pretty decently thick. And it smells really good. I don't know how to explain the smell, but it smells really good. So I will tell you my what I think of this mask after I rinse it out. But I'm going to wait 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I rinsed that out. My hair feels really soft. So I'm going to put my normal styler products in my hair. So I just put my Curl Enhancing Smoothie in my hair. So now I'm just going to wait for my hair to dry, and I'll show you what my hair looks like dried. Then I'll have my final little first impression thing all wrapped up. So this is kind of how my hair dried. I think it looks pretty decent. I think I could have put a little bit more styler in it, but my hair overall feels really soft and really good and not dry at all at the ends. Very moisturized. And I think I will give this a hair mask 2 thumbs up and a 10 out of 10 because I really enjoyed it. It smelled really good and my hair feels really good now and soft. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.